If you've ever read Traction or sat in a room where someone pitched EOS to your leadership team, you probably had one of two reactions. Either this is exactly what we need, or this makes sense, but something about it doesn't quite fit us. And you know what? Both of those reactions are right. EOS is a great framework for business, but it's also built for a fundamentally different kind of organization than the one that you're running, which is a nonprofit. We want to show you 3 separate alternatives for free in 60 minutes. We're calling it a digital workshop, and we're keeping it small on purpose. 25 people, no passive watching, no slide decks that you're going to forget by Thursday. You're going to leave with 3 things. First, a real diagnosis. You'll score your own organization across 8 operational areas, and you'll immediately see where you're losing momentum. Second, a framework that every nonprofit can use for their organizational operating system. Not adapted, not translated, actually built for the way that your organization works. And third, a clear answer to a question most nonprofit leaders never actually stop to ask. Should we build our own operating system? Should we adapt EOS? Or should we use one that's native to how nonprofits actually function? By the end of the session, you'll know which path fits your organization and why. That's it. No pitch, no pressure, just 60 minutes of real work with people who are trying to solve the same problem that you are. If that sounds worth an hour of your time, grab one of the 25 seats below. We'd love to have you in the room.